We are future-proofing how we help our customers and what we deliver to them. And my job is to make sure that what we're offering is helpful in producing visible outcomes for our customers. So we look at what they have, what is useful in that, and then we make a visible outcome using that. So the innovation team is all about seeing what's out there, making sure it works, and helping our customers achieve what they want to achieve.
I am lucky enough to get to work on quite a few projects across government and private sector clients. We can deliver modern cloud-based solutions like Office 365, Dynamics 365. A solution that we delivered to a government client was to provide them with a cloud-based citizen relationship management system. They had previously been working on a combination of paper-based and spreadsheet-based and database-based systems, and we provided them with a modern cloud-based customer relationship management system which allowed them to record every contact with every citizen, so that every time a citizen contacted their agency, every agent knew the last time they were spoken to and what was said to them, and it enabled them to provide a joined-up service to their citizens.
So at the moment I'm working with a customer who has a lot of manual data input. So it's a lot of repetitive data entry. I'm developing a solution that will use a database backend with a .NET front end. This would allow all the data to be inputted on one platform. So they would log into the solution online. Then through this they will be able to use data that's already been pre-populated in there from the database in the backend, which will then be pulled through to the website. They can then select that data rather than having to manually input all the time. It helped to go from a lot of manual data entry to a modern solution with one main contact point, and all the data is just there straight away rather than it being in 10 different places and having to come together.
One of the projects I'm currently working with would be with a utilities company. They're recently looking to change the way they're receiving their data. So they're implementing what's called a HVR, it's high volume replication. And all this means is that at the moment their databases would get information in a batch process in one go. That can take up to 2 hours, I believe it takes. But if we get this with the HVR, that comes in real time. This cuts down that their 2 hour gap, obviously can speed up a lot of the day. There were a load of issues and bugs. Sometimes it would just stop running. Sometimes the runtime would double or even triple. And then other times as well, the data just wasn't reliable. The HVR piece actually was quite innovative because bringing in real time, the database, it was Microsoft SQL database. It usually runs in batch time. I don't think there's any other program out there that actually runs in real time for them. So being able to get that information was quite useful. Their database was made in an ad hoc manner. There was no plan or structure to it. So constantly having to work around being able to assign IDs to a particular piece of information where that ID didn't exist was quite a challenge.
Where we add the value is to supplement skills, provide technical knowledge that is difficult for people who have a normal day job to keep up with the technology industry. The unique approach we take with our customers is that we spend a lot of time with them. We listen to them very closely to make sure that we fully understand what they're trying to get from the new technologies rather than just selling them a standard service. The words of advice are don't let the past hold you back. Customers who want to embark on modern digital technologies embrace the modern technologies of the cloud.
My advice on a digital transformation journey is to start small, because you'll start to see the benefits quite quickly.